Hi, this is for an easy C chord on the guitar. I'm wary about calling it easy C because what you're about to find out is it's not so easy, but it is one of the easier ones you can play on your guitar, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to use finger 1. Remember that when you're numbering your fingers, your left hand always goes thumb 1, 2, 3, 4. So we use finger 1, okay? We're going to go to fret 1 of the second string, okay? So remember, string 1 is the smallest string. It goes 1, 2, like this. And you want to put it on fret 1 on string 2 like this, and if you can see that very well, but I've got a gap, that's really important. A tip for you at a really early level on guitar is always to keep your fingers hooked like this, okay? The first reason is, for what we're looking at here, is to clear the strings underneath, to make sure that the underneath of your finger doesn't catch the string below. But also, and this is quite important, is it makes your finger really strong. So it kind of means you don't have to press as hard, okay? So that's great because you have to press quite hard on fret 1 on a guitar, okay? So what we're doing is we're listening out for this note here. It's on string 2. I'm on fret 1, finger 1. Hear that? So once you can play that and it's nice and clear, then we've got to try and strum the first 3 strings. So that's from the G string, string 3, down the way like that. That's a nice chord, that one. It's called a C major. Now it's tricky because you can do this, you know, if your finger kind of falls down like this, it touches the string underneath. Can you hear that? It's really like muted or rattly or buzzy, whatever you want to describe it as, but it's not nice. So you've got to make this adjustment with your finger, so it's more like, think of it as being on your tiptoes, like that. Okay, so as always, what you're going to try to do here is try and play each string one at a time. A challenge for you, or a little idea you could use here is maybe you could try and make up some sort of tune yourself with this. You could play each string as many times as you like, you know, you could be something like something like that, or that's quite a nice sound, isn't it? I'm only using the first 3 strings, okay? That's the C chord, or the easy C. Have fun with that, okay? Remember, no buzzy notes, lovely, nice and clear sounding, okay? Magic, good luck.